Hi, my name is Olivia Smith, and this is my ePortfolio for EME 2040. So at the top, I have a little banner. It has the University of South Florida's address, my name, what I want to be, a speech therapist, and then it has my USF email, also this little pen button that will bring you to my blog. Below it says what my ePortfolio has, so on this website you will find an About Me page, a resume, a sample of work, and a link to my blog. So right below I have my About Me, which states that my name is Olivia Smith and I'm from Ormond Beach, Florida. I'm currently a sophomore at the University of South Florida studying communication sciences and disorders with a focus in language, speech, and hearing science. With this major, I plan to go on to graduate school and study to become a speech therapist. My goal as a speech therapist is to work with children either through the school system or a private practice. And I currently work at a surf shop in my hometown called Maui Nix, where I am a sales associate. Here, I either work the floor, where I help customers find what they need, or I work the register, where I assist customers in checking out. I'm also beginning to shadow a speech therapist that works at a private practice with children in my town, and through this I will be able to see speech therapy sessions conducted and learn the different approaches speech therapists take to help children with speech disorders. And right here, I included a Read More button. When you click it, it brings it to my About Me blog page. Down below, I have areas of expertise as a speech therapist, so I'd focus in speech sound disorders, working with children, and working with technology through teletherapy. At the bottom, I have a little footer. Has my name, speech therapist, and my place of study, the University of South Florida, also contact information, my USF email, and a telephone. Then if you go back to the top, you can click the resume button, which will bring you to my resume page. It says below I included my updated resume that will shows my endeavors from high school until now. And then you can click here to view, and it brings you to my full resume. So it has my contact information and then my education from high school until now. Also, it has all of my experience, so the jobs I have worked, the shadowing I've done, the different volunteer opportunities I've had, and the clubs that I have belonged to. Then it also has an internship that I did and an opportunity where I was a camp counselor. Then it also has my service trips, so a mission trip, and then also the service that I did through National Honor Society. And it also has awards that I have been given. So then after that, you can go back to the top and you can click Work Samples. Here I have included 2 samples of work that I've done in my classes this semester at USF. On this one, if you click it, it brings you to a blog post I made about a group presentation on augmented reality in the workplace. And here it has the video of the presentation, and then below my blog post about it. This actually relates to speech therapy because in it we included how augmented reality can be used through apps related to speech therapy sessions. And then this right here is a PDF on an expository overview essay I did about discourse communities. Then if you go to the last tab, it brings you to my blog page. Here I state that I have a class blog. I have a blog all about myself and the assignments that I've completed throughout my fall 2020 semester at USF in my EME 2040 class. And below I've included a link to my blog that will bring you to its homepage, allowing you to easily get to all the content within it. My blog includes information about me and about the assignments I've completed throughout my semester in EME 2040. And it also includes information about new technologies I've learned to use through doing the assignments in EME 2040. And I said view my blog below. So if you click that little pin button, it brings you to my blog, which states the class, what to expect from it. And here you can navigate my blog easily. And then down below, I have a contact me spot where you can enter your name and your email and your phone number, type what you want to contact me about, and submit that to me. And that is all for my ePortfolio. Thank you.